plan for today is to start reassembling the car. So right now I'm going to be installing the engine. See over there, put it in here, just get it hanging. Then I'm gonna work on the subframe, which is right there. Have to clean that up, paint it, then I could bolt it up. And I'm waiting on the Downstar hardware to come in for the strut tower bolts, the coilover bolts, and the control arm bolts. So until those in, I can't really completely reassemble the front end, but at least I'll get the engine out and I'll have room to start working on all the other sections that I need to. But yeah, overall the color still looks good. I still see some minor imperfection from where I screwed up when I did the prep work, but yeah, it's definitely better than how it was, so I'm still happy with it.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes.
So we have the motor hanging. Now I'm just going to put on the timing cover for this side. I changed my mind. I'm no longer going to do the cutout for this because I couldn't find one and I don't want to take that motor apart. So eventually I'll get to it, but for right now I'm just going to leave it as that. Have to change. I think that oil sandwich is leaking, so I may just change it to the thermostat. Set up later on down the line, but right now just to get it running, I think we're good. Just gotta take off the traction bar, just gotta take off the subframe, clean it up, paint it, take off this also, clean it up and paint it because it's kind of, you can see it. So I'm just trying to make it look a little bit better. So wrapping up for the day, this is as far as we got with this. So yeah, everything looks good. Just gotta wait for the bolts to come in, then I could start working on the subframe, which I'm not even gonna lie, I got lazy and I didn't even take it apart yet, so I have to figure something out with that. So right now we're gonna be swapping out these little studs for the Downstar hardware. So I got the zinc and the gunmetal, so should set the bay off. I was gonna get the black ones, but I'll try this for right now. So it isn't perfect, but it doesn't look too bad. I wish I had the Hasport mounts. That would make it look better, but so far I think that's good. So now I'm just gonna wait for these to come for the intake manifold in the back, and I'm gonna start putting on the rest of the bolts. These are for the control arms. Put those in, and hopefully that's it. So right now we got a subframe in. Yeah, it looks decent. It ain't the greatest. I need to get better with my prep work, and I guess do this on a warmer day because it looks like it's coming off, but whatever. So the subframe is in, the rack is in, engine is in, everything's looking decent, and now I'm gonna put the traffic case in because apparently the cord mount doesn't fit the T-bracket, so I have to make a custom one as usual. So I have to set everything up so I could do that now. transfer case is in. Everything is bolted up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a dry shaft on for the front, line that up, and that will more or less help me to. So that I'm gonna put the dry shaft on right now, and that should help set the angle for where I want the transmission is to be when I do start making them out. So transfer case is in, dry shaft is in for the front half. That's good, so I don't have to really fix it or spend money making another one shorter, make it adjustable or whatever. So the dry shaft fit, happy with that. So now just gotta set the angle of this, because if you can look at it, it's kind of slooping down because there's no T-bracket. So I have to jack this up, get a good angle, and then hopefully damn, this looks like it's gonna be closer than the B series, because the B series had way more room by the sway bar. So I have to see what I could do. So right now I'm just trying to figure out the T-bracket, because the T-bracket is completely different with this transmission. So I'm guessing tomorrow I have to find, get some bracket to whip something up so I could bolt it on. So I just have to make something that connects to the mount, to this one right here, and those two on the transmission.